It's July 15th. It's about almost 11:25 here. A little late start. We stayed at a really neat little campground last night. A little cabin, air conditioning and everything. We can do it again tonight if we choose. So it kind of depends on the weather and how far we get. But at this point, we got 1,087 according to the map done. Ellen's about 35 above that actual miles. And we got 228 to go, and we're just outside of Charlottesville, probably 2-3 miles. It's not from the center city, not from the city limits around here go out forever, it seems like. So anyhow, we're getting ready to get started. It's been a little cloudy, but it looks like it's clearing up.
Yeah, it drizzled a little this morning, so hopefully if it does rain, it'll be mellow enough that I can keep on going. You know, we really mostly just worry about visibility, not only for the drivers and seeing me, but also for me to see, because there's no windshield wipers on my glasses. Let's see. Basically, we're just gonna get rolling today. Like you said, we're gonna try and get like 30 in. I feel pretty okay, so we're just gonna see what we get.
Well, it's about 11:35. I'm sitting waiting for Ellen. He's probably about half a mile behind me. I'm sitting here at the, I don't know if you can see this or not, the Robert H. Smith International Center for Jefferson Studies, Kenwood, the Jefferson Library, Monticello, Monroe's home, all kinds of things are right around this area. Well, it's about 11:40. We're about 2 miles into things. We should be coming to our next turn, which is 795 shortly. Turn off. Hopefully, yeah, there's the bike sign. So Ellen ought to be able to see it. Hopefully we get on a little better road. This thing has really been very hectic. So we're right at a little over about 2 2/10 miles. So it's not quite 5 to 12. We're at about the 3 mile mark, and as Ellen goes by. Yeah, well, this is the James Monroe's home, the 5th president. Well, and this is just a little after we passed the entrance to James Monroe's home or childhood home, but I don't know if this is all part of it or not. You know, I'm not sure if this is all part of the property or not, but we're only about a little over a mile from the entrance. We got an all stone wall made from the rocks that apparently that were collected up in the fields around here. I have a feeling this is all part of the Monroe estate. It's just slightly after 12 o'clock. We're at just a little under 5 miles here. Like I said, I think all of this has been alongside the Monroe estate. Just about 5 miles.
And it's still muggy.
Yes,
I wanted to clarify about the James Monroe comment that history is good and that we shouldn't probably bulldoze his house.
I think that was an astute change of... See you in a little bit. This is just within a mile of the Monroe Estate. Wake Forest Baptist Church. About 12:15. Alan's just a little behind me. It looks like this was clear cut here. It's the first time I've seen this on our trip. I don't know if they're planning on building something or if it's just a logging operation. To the left, right up there. It was Alan. It's about 12:35, something like that, and that was just about what, 10.5 miles right there, I guess. So he's doing pretty good. I mean, it's only been about an hour, and he's got 10.5 miles, and it's been some pretty heavy slog. And actually, it's kind of. Get some shots of the scenery here. I'll tell you what, it's getting to look a lot more like Missouri as we go through this part of Missouri. I don't know how you like to say it, but it's when we get up here further, you'll see it a little better. So we just passed, Alan just passed about 10.5 miles, and we're headed for our next turn up here, which will be the 12-mile mark. Gentleman let me stay on his property up here. I pulled off on what I thought was kind of a side road, not to block his driveway, and it turned out that he had to just repair that. He asked me to park in his driveway while I was waiting. Apparently a tree fell across the road and a bunch of 18-wheelers came digging through his yard and really tore it up, and he had to have it all redone. He had a grader out and everything, so he was concerned about the fact that it's not really compacted yet, carrying it again. He didn't have any problem at all with me staying in his lot, I mean in his driveway, so it was very nice. House, kind of like the ones we built up at St. Joe's. The terrain's a lot different than what we've been going through. The ground starting to turn kind of clay, just like down around Steelville and St. James.